Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn about how to make a football in SolidWorks 2020. So the thing is that for making the football, it is assembly of two features, that is a pentagon and a hexagon shape, which is curvature in nature. So first we have to make the both in part modeling. Then we have to take the both parts into the modeling assembly workbench. In that, what we have to do is to assemble the total football. Now what we're gonna do is first make the two parts. So first let's start with the making the pentagon. I'm taking top plane over here. Suppose I'm taking two circles. Now what we're gonna do is we have to give the dimensions of that. One is 10. The outer one will be 105, and the inner one will be 102. Done. Now we have to take a line over here. Then let's trim this part only. Okay, we have to trim this part. Now what we're gonna do is make it an isometric view. Now go for a revolve. Select this axis of revolution. See, it is a what? It is spherical in shape, but we don't need a full circle. For that, what we need is 180 degree, half. That means a hemisphere. Done. Hollow hemisphere. Understood? Now what we're gonna do is we have to cut this section with an angle. So I'm taking front plane as a sketch, normal to the plane. First I'm taking a reference center line over here, like this. No measurement is required. Now I'm gonna draw a line from here to, let's extend this one. This much will be okay. Now for the pentagon, we have an angle for this cutting is that for curvature angle, that is pre-calculated. I have calculated it from the beginning. So that is 16.5 degree. Understood? So for pentagon, it is 16.5 degree, and hexagon, it is 21.21 degree. Okay. Now what we're going to do is go to feature, cut extrude through all both. As you can see, this part has been cut and separated. Now what we're going to do is make it an isometric view. Now what we're going to do is over here, go to reference plane. Okay, reference axis you have to make. So with the help of two planes, I'm going to make an axis over here. I'm selecting this one. Go over here, select the front plane from the tool manager, and then the right plane. See, here it is axis over here. Done. So with the help of this axis, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pattern the whole feature. That cut feature we have done over here. So what we're gonna do is we have to revolve or pattern this thing. So go to circular pattern, select this cut extrude. Number of instances is pentagon have 5 sides. That means the instances is 5. Now what we're gonna do is we have to select the axis of revolution. This one is my axis of revolution. As you can see, this is the shape of the pentagon we are having over here. Understood? Now what we're going to do is hide these axes. Give a fillet on this edge. On these edge. Okay. Maybe it's a 1. Will be okay. Or it's a 0.5 will be okay. It's done. Then select OK. Now we can add a color for your preference. So Pentagon is black in color, that's why we're gonna add black. This color is okay. Done. Now what we're gonna do is save this part. Name it football. This one is Pentagon. Now what we're gonna do is open another window and make the hexagon part for the next one. New part. Again with the same procedure, with the same parameters we are having over there for the circles, and each and every parameters that should be followed over here also. First what we are going to do is take top plane, go to sketch, make 2 circles. Again the outer one is 105 and the another one is 102. Again what we're going to do is draw a line from here to here. Now trim this. Understood? Go to isometric view. Then what we're going to do is revolve. This is my axis of revolution. Give it a 180 degree for the hemispherical view. Done. Now what we're going to do is take the front plane, go to sketch, then draw a center line from normal to plane, and draw a center line from here to here. Again a line from this origin to this. Now what we're going to do is give an angle. For here the angle is 21 degree. For hexagon it is 21 degree, and the pentagon again for hexagon it is 21 degree, and for pentagon it is 16.5 degree. That is the difference between both the parts. For pentagon we have having a separate angle, and for the hexagon we are having also a separate angle. That means these two angles do not match with each other. Understood? And these two parameters are calculated from before. Now what we're going to do is again go to isometric view, cut extrude through all both. Now what we're going to do is again this one circular pattern. Number of instances should be 6 because hexagon has 6 sides. But before that, what we have to do is make a reference axis. Go to axis with two plane axes, front plane, right plane. See, my axis is over here. Now, what we're gonna do is select this axis, go to circular pattern, number of instances will be 6, and this is my feature. What we have gonna do. See, from the top side you can see this is my hexagon shape. Now what we're gonna do is click OK. Done. Now when apply fillet, select all the edges. Now done. Now we're gonna give this a color of white. So it's good. Now we're gonna save this also in the same location. Name it hexagon. Now what we're gonna do is close both the windows, open a assembly workbench. Assembly, click on OK. Then what we have to do is over in assembly workbench, we have to call the both the parts and do some assembly made over here to make the football. What we're gonna do is browse the components. First one we want to call is Pentagon. Then open. See, it is over here. But don't click it on the free space. Go to OK. Now this object is my fixed. It is not floating from here to there. After that, what we're gonna do is call the insert component hexagon. Done. Now let's give the mate over here. For this, what we're gonna do is go to mate, select this edge coincident. Done. But still it is moving. But still it is moving. So what we're gonna do is again mate this one with this edge. Okay. Understood? Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna need one more of this and one more of this. So what we're gonna do is press control, take out different parts. Then again go to mate, this edge with this edge. Coincident. Now again select this one with this one. Understood? Now, 1, 2, 1. Now, what we're going to do is place the pentagon over here. For that, what we're going to do is select this edge with this one. But see, my alignment is wrong. Now what we have to do is delete this one, shift the alignment over here. Okay, now we can give the mate. This edge to this edge. But still it is not taking. So what we have to do is over here, we have to rotate the object. See, by the help of this, we can rotate the object freely. Now, it will take the point. Understood? Coincident. Understood? So, this will be my sequence for the next 1, 2, 2, 1. That means for a pentagon it is 1, hexagon it is 2. So 1, 2, 2, 1. This is my sequence. So again I'm gonna need this parts extra pieces of pentagon and hexagon. So I'm gonna take out two pentagons and two hexagons. Done. Done. So first what we're gonna do is we have to assemble this hexagon over here. Now what we're going to do is mate this edge over this edge coincident. Understood? Now what we're going to do is this edge with this edge. This edge with this edge. Coincident. Done. Now 1, 2, 2, 1. Now what we're going to do is gain this edge with this edge. Done. Go to mate Again this one with this one. Then this edge with this edge. Coincident. Okay. First we have to align this. Now go to mate this edge with this edge. Coincident. Now this edge with this edge. Coincident. So this will be my total assemble of this. But now what we're gonna do is almost my work is done, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a reference axis over here with the help of these two faces. With the point, with the help of 2 points, we're gonna draw a axis. After that, first we have to make the 2 points on this center of the face and this one center of the face. After that, we're gonna make a reference axis against which I'm gonna revolve the or pattern this total instances over there. What we're gonna do is now go to reference point, face, center of face. So this is my curvature face. Select this one. Okay, point 1. Again go to reference point, center of face, this one. Okay, understood. Now I'm gonna get 2 points over here. Now go to again go to reference, axis, point and face. Two or 2 points. See, this is the axis. Now, okay, understood. Now I got the axis. Let's show the axis. Hide this one. So now what we're going to do is, this is my axis, circular component pattern. What will be my objects? This one, this one, this one, this one, all. As you can see. Now what we're going to do is, no, it is not complete. It's required more. So I need 5 instances to complete the football. See, this is the total number of instances. So it is a 360-degree total sweep, revolve with a 5 number of instances with equal spacing. With the help of this axis, we're gonna make the pattern over here. Hide this axis. Now you can see. So this is, in this way, we're gonna make a football with the assembly of pentagons and hexagon curvature shapes in an assembly workbench. Let's save this one. Save all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you have learned the how to make a football. Stick together with us. More interesting videos are going to come up. So that's all for this video. Thank you.